Hi everyone, my name's Olivia Omega. I'm a branding strategist and I'm here at the office and studio of Rhoda Designs Group. Rhoda Johnson is amazing and I just wanted to share just a little bit about how she has impacted my journey as an entrepreneur and my brand, my image, just as an amazing woman, an amazing makeup artist, an image consultant, and a friend. She's helped me in a lot of ways to understand the importance of how I present myself and how I show up in the world, being an entrepreneur and being someone that is on stages and in front of a lot of people. She has helped me in a tremendous way, from my wardrobe, cleaning out my closet, organizing my closet, being my personal stylist and consultant as we shop, as well as handing over and giving me makeup tips and doing my makeup for a lot of different events, including my TEDx and being on the TEDx stage. If you have a business, if you are a career woman and you're really wanting to step up your game with regard to how you show up in the world, definitely give Rhoda a call. She's amazing and I recommend her.